Hey fam, welcome to my channel. I am Darika. If you're new here, please, by all means, feel free, get comfortable, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. For my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember that you all are always welcome in this house. Well, today we are going to be doing some DTF prints on some items. So let's get to it. Let me show y'all the items. The items are from Walmart. It's going to be this kitchen accessory kit from Walmart. It has an apron, a kitchen towel, an oven mitt, and a pot holder. So we're going to be putting DTF prints on those. So here's the towel. There's the towel. This is the mitten. That's the mitten. This is the pot holder. And this is the apron. This is the apron. So we're going to be putting DTF on all 4 of these items. So come on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here we are over at my printer, printing out the images that we are going to be using on today. Again, I had an Epson P800. I got my film from DTF Superstore. I also got my inks from DTF Superstore. I got my cartridges from a vendor in China, but I believe you can also purchase those from DTF Superstore if I'm not mistaken. But they are a little bit cheaper in China, so yeah, I got them from a vendor in China, and it took about almost 2 weeks to come, but they were great when I got them, so I'm still using them, and I love them. And let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see the image printed out on the printer. Let's see. There we go. It prints the color first, and then it prints the white layer on top. So yeah, there we go on that. Okay, y'all, so the images are finished printing. These are the images we're going to be using. These 2 right here, they're going to be going on a hat I'm going to make in another video. I just decided to go ahead and throw them on here so I won't be wasting any film. As you can see, when we got to the bottom, this one kind of smeared and messed up on me. And it's probably because I put it close to the bottom. It smeared when it was coming out my printer. But I don't have to use that one. I made some extra ones over here. So we still good, y'all. Now let's go to the powdering station to put some adhesive powder on it. Okay, so now y'all, I got y'all over here at the powdering station. This is white adhesive powder. This is what's going to make the image stick to your substrate, whatever you're going to be pressing it on. You just got to make sure that you cover this ink completely so that it'll adhere. Get a little bit more. Okay. I'm just gonna make sure we got complete coverage. Like so. Just keep rolling it back and forth until you feel like you got complete coverage. If you need to, just get your cup. Dump you a little bit more on there. There you go. And roll it back and forth until you think you got complete coverage. I probably got complete coverage now, but I just like to be sure. Sometimes I be a little bit extra. And then once you got complete coverage, and then you just shake the excess powder off of there. Okay. So that's what it looks like on the back now. And so now we're going to have to go to the oven, put it in the oven to let it cure for about 2 minutes. And so now we're at the oven. My oven is set to 250 degrees. I'm going to put this in here for about 2 minutes to let it cure. So here we go. At the bottom of on this little tray right here, I got parchment paper, and that's just to help keep my image from burning. 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes. Okay, our 2 minutes have now passed. I'm going to take it out the oven. Alright, and that's what it looks like out the oven. It has an orange peel type texture. That's how you know it's completely cured. So we're done with this one. We'll wait on our next one to get through printing, and we'll go press it on, you guys. Okay, so we're over at my heat press. I have the apron on the heat press. I have my pressing pillow that I got from Amazon so that we can get even pressure. And we're going to pre-press the apron for about 10 seconds first. Let's do that. Gonna pre-press the apron, and then I'm gonna press the image. This is the image. It's done. This is the image we're gonna be pressing on this apron that I printed out earlier. So let's press that on. Okay, so let's press that for about 10 seconds. First, we gotta cover with some parchment paper. Parchment paper. Let's press it for about 10 seconds, y'all. The heat press is on 280 degrees. 280 degrees. It's the Impress heat press from Heat Press Nation. Okay, I'll press that for 10 seconds, so I'm gonna let it cool for about a minute and press my next item. Now we've got the pot holder. I'm gonna pre-press it for about 10 seconds to get the moisture out, and then I'm gonna press the image on that. So this is the image we're gonna press on the pot holder once it gets done with the pre-press. Okay, so here is that image right there, covered with some parchment paper. I'm gonna move it over a little bit more. Okay, covered with some parchment paper. 10 seconds. So we're gonna let this cool while we press our next item. Got the oven mitt. We're gonna pre-press that for about 10 seconds. Might have to loosen that pressure some because that was really tight. So this is the image we're gonna press on the glove, the oven mitt. Let's loosen this pressure some because it's really tight. That glove is kind of thick. Let's see. Okay, that should be okay. Alrighty, that should be fine. So let's press this for about 10 seconds. And then we'll press our apron. And let that cool while we press the apron, and then we'll pull all of them out because they all should be cool by then. Oh, I'm sorry. Not the apron. We already pressed the apron. We got a towel to press. Sorry, y'all. Let's get the towel. Okay, so here's the towel. Let's pre-press this towel for about 10 seconds. And this is the image we're going to put on the towel. This is the image I printed it off camera, and I cured it and put the powder on it off camera, y'all. So here it is. Okay. Okay. Trying to line it up so it can be, kind of even. The towel looks like it was stitched crooked. So we're just going to line it up the best we can. So here we go. Let's do this for about 10 seconds. Probably should have tightened that pressure back up some because I had that oven mitt on here first. And it was kind of thick, but we should be okay. Alright, that's 10 seconds. So I'm going to let this cool while we pull the other film off the other images we already pressed. And we'll do this one last. Alright, so that's cool. Let's pull the film off the apron. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got the film off the apron. That's it. Take a look at that. And we are going to press it for an additional 10 seconds to make sure it's fully adhered. I don't know if you had to, but I like to. I always do. It's just me, so you have to do what works for you. Ten seconds. All right. That's that one. And that's how it looks, y'all. That's our apron. Got the pot holder next. Let's remove the film off the pot holder. Alright, so that's the pot holder. See, the film is empty. That's the pot holder. Gonna pre-press that for 10 seconds. Not pre-press, but y'all know what I mean. We're just gonna press it again for 10 seconds. Just to make sure it's fully adhered to the pot holder. Alright, it's 10 seconds. And that's how it looks. So now we're going to take the film off the oven mitt. Alright, that's the oven mitt. Going to press it for an additional 10 seconds. y'all. And let's get the towel. All right, 10 seconds. That's the oven mitt, y'all. And let's get the towel. Let's take the film off the towel. We might, on the towel, y'all, if you look at this on the towel, that part didn't stick, so I'm going to press this again for about 10 seconds so that part can stick. Okay, so I have pre-pressed it. So now let's try to pull it up again and see if it sticks. I've let it cool as well. Like we're having some difficulty. Might have some difficulty with this towel, y'all, because I don't think it want to stick right. And I think it's because of all these fibers in the towel, but let's keep trying to work our way up. Okay, so we're definitely gonna have to make sure that we, and I stuck my other pillow under there to see if we can get some more pressure, but definitely gonna have to press it again for about 15 seconds, because you can see, if you can see, some of that's, still not properly adhered to this towel, and I guess it's because of the fibers. So let's try to pre-press it again, press it again rather, and see if we can get it to stick better. That was 10 seconds. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's better. And that's the towel. That's the towel. And guess what, y'all? I just noticed I done pressed this on the back. I pressed it on the wrong side after all that. So I will print another image and I will press it on the right side. But yeah, I messed up. It's on the back because there is the tag. But I'll pre-press it again. I'll press it again. I'll print out another image off camera and I'll put it on the back. So let's review our items that we did on today. So first we got this apron. Yes. Way, make a miracle, work a promise, keep a light in the darkness. My God, that's who you are. Yes, he is, y'all. Yes, he is. That's the apron. This is our pot holder. Yep. Chosen, blessed, forgiven, redeemed. My God is awesome, y'all. Yes, he is. The oven mitt, created with a purpose. We all are created with a purpose, y'all. Created with a purpose. And last but not least, here is our towel. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You and I can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Yes, we can. All we got to do is keep the faith, y'all. Keep the faith. Yep. So okay. I know. As always, you ain't ready to leave my house. But guess what? You already know. You ain't got to go home, though, but you're going to have to go to my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye, y'all.